Um, the agency,
Third year,
right?
third year.
Third year.
Third year na. The Boss Luis. And then was the biggest. Kasabi ko.
Sando?
Or something sa loob mo.
Ay, wala ako.
Well, I just have to.
Sige, go lang. Wow naman!
Welcome to our podcast.
Yes, grabe naman pala tayo, ano.
Don't think of it.
Naka-live pala tayo.
Ikaw din.
Hindi, sa'yo.
Aba,
You can just drink this some other time. Pero ay.
paano to? Baka natanggal kanina.
So, so yung host na, ano, so,
And then, Kyle.
okay, tapos. Well, nakakatawa yung ano, may meme na ano, alam mo yung mga, si Zac Efron ngayon, yung mga, yung mga high school, mga popular kids na high school ngayon.
Hoy, pogi ka pa rin naman.
Hindi nga ako ganun eh. I mean, hindi ako,
Hindi nga siya ganun.
hindi ako, ay sobrang wala akong high school. I mean, like,
I gets you were a cutie.
Wala akong anything. Sinaano dun eh. Tapos sinaano pa, nakakatawa nga eh. Tapos na talagang, di ba wala pang heart react. Tapos, yung wala pang
Like pa lang yun eh.
Like pa lang. Tapos, every profile picture na change, 200, 300.
200, 300.
Wow.
400.
400, ganyan. Tapos
Bro.
sinaano pa si...
Yeah.
Alam mo yun yung famous nun eh. Dahil wala pang TikTok. Kapag famous sila.
May dati pa eh. Batch.
Tsaka kapag dahil kunwari mga boys, tapos may mga cute sa ibang school, alam mo ganun din sila yung mga DP nila, 1,000 likes, kaya
Yeah.
tapos
Like mga
yung ano pa nun, yung usang selfie, yung pa-side, tapos yung dito lang.
Yeah.
Tapos, ay, grabe, sabi ko.
Bangs.
Oo, tambayan pa nun, Nepo, tapos McDo. Tapos
McDo lang.
Marky, yeah, Time Zone.
Milk tea.
Milk tea, Moonleaf. Bro, those were the days, man. Grabe.
But how are you?
Ay, ngayon,
Like what's new? What
Ay,
I heard
solid.
like a lot
What's
of
new?
things.
everything is new. I am so dead right now.
New wineskin.
Sobrang dead ako ngayon.
Why are you there?
Wow. As in lahat wala. Siguro flesh-wise, kasi kapag Kristiyano na, flesh-wise, sobrang, parang it feels so painful to say the least. Kasi syempre, nakukuhanan ka eh. Pero at the same time, maybe this is necessary. Maybe kailangan to. Di ba may apps ka? Yung IG. Minsan, nakiklik na lang ako. It's parang, ay, wala naman akong kinakausap. Tapos parang minsan, bumabalik ako. Tapos parang, wala naman akong kinakausap. Pero yung muscle memory, parang, parang may gumagano na wala namang ganap sa email ko, wala namang Viber, wala Telegram, wala WhatsApp, wala.
Like no friends in general to communicate
And at the
with
same time,
daily?
or parang, yung ganun din, with everything. Tapos parang, yan tapos parang minsan na minsan nagtitik na ako.
The silence is deafening.
Yes. So parang, yung static, yung ganun. So anyway, just talking about this, parang sinasampal ko yung sarili ko na ako nga. Siya, in the kindest way possible, he's reminding me through this na, ang daming favor. Nung nandun ako, okay, pupunta ako US. Medyo mag-step back tayo ng a few weeks apart. Shucks, hindi biro yan. Okay. Yan. Hindi siya yung parang ako lang, tapos 0.5, tapos,
Sorry
hindi, not you.
Joke lang.
You get the point.
I get
Parang, I'm here resting, ganun. Parang, in a way.
You're not a burden, brother.
So,
wait, to be fair, kami tumawag sa'yo dito.
Yeah,
Kasi gusto ka namin kausap.
yeah. Thank you so much for that. Kaya, ang hirap namin mag-confide, ang hirap namin mag-open up kasi kapag boys or kapag men, dapat binabattle up mo lang. Kaya bigla nag-stat, may mga suicide niya, puro mga lalaki, di ba?
All men.
Yeah, but it's all men. Anyway, yun yung naging ko na...
I remember we had this exact conversation last year, March.
Yeah. I think yung last natin, di ba, sa porch, tapos yung sa Starbucks.
Tapos we had the Starbucks. And yeah.
Yeah, yun.
And then, wala na.
Wala. Yun yung sa ano na. Yung
Dayo
sa...
na.
Wait, no na ba yun? Ay, oo.
Pre-Dayo yun.
Free Dayo yung Starbucks.
Pre-Dayo yung
Yun
Starbucks.
yung,
Yeah,
Kasi I would always, hindi. Dalawa yung Starbucks natin. When the first time in a long time, he asked for help. May Union Bank app ka.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was after. Oh, yeah.
So we had like porch,
Yes.
Starbucks, because of the nose.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Oo nga pala, inano kita sa CSA.
Thank you for the nose. By the
Oo
way, I
naman.
love this nose better than ever. Kasi
Doc-
until now, it's still here.
Yeah. Doc talaga is like, parang ano lang. Parang nagpaano ka lang.
Like, sabi ni Migs, Bes, ang galing. Kasi parang blooming na nandyan yung ilong.
The best yung ano,